Oh gosh. Okay, so we have something exciting coming. You all see the finished product all the time. Right now, this is not the finished product. My hair, I was told you're recording tomorrow. I don't have time to get my hair done and everything. But you know what? He shows up anyway with the camera. And so I just have to go with the flow, go with the flow. So this is what you're going to see is going with the flow. And you see the finished product usually with me looking cute, all good, the food all nice and plated nicely, but you don't see everything that goes on behind the scenes and what it takes to get to that point, the finished product. But you stay tuned. That's on the forefront. I think you all really need to see the in-depth look of what it really takes to operate and run a business. It's kind of like, I wouldn't say we have a reality show going on here, but we probably could make one up. There's a lot going on behind the scenes, all good, and a little bit of, bad, but bad in a good way. Stay tuned. I think you're going to enjoy seeing all the clips. braids. This is the reason. I mean, no. This might go through all the time. 2023 has a lot going on, and Arts Catering's right there with it. Stay tuned.